Calling attention very important aha. Speaker sir, गेली फर्स्ट सेशनाक हांवें हो घातलेलो तेन्ना हाऊस कमिटी जाल्ली. स्पीकर सर, म्हाजो क्वेश्चन हा 1991 नोटिफिकेशन जेन्ना येयल्लें आनी एमेंड जालें इन 2011 थिंगा इतलेंच बरयलां की स्ट्रेचीज आर नॉट यूज फॉर कमर्शियल एक्टिविटी. हे रेग्युलरायज करचें ना म्हणून आमी. देर आर ट्रेडिशनल फिशरमॅन एंड अदर कम्युनिटीज हू आर स्टेईंग ऑन द कोस्ट. हेंच्यांनी धाकटुली गेस्ट हावजां बांदलेलीं आहा स्पीकर सर. तेंच्या घराक तेकोन शॉपां बांदलेलीं आहा, रेस्टॉरंटां चलयता. ये आदीसून चालू हा स्पीकर सर फ्रॉम द इयर 1986 when the guidelines were formed. हांव इतलेंच मागता स्पीकर सर की आमची जी कमिटी आहा हिंगा फॉर्म अंडर द चेअरमॅनशीप ऑफ चीफ मिनिस्टर सेंटराक वचून सांगपाची गरज आहा की हे फर्दर अमेंडमेंट टू 2011 नोटिफिकेशन जावपाची गरज आहा. कित्याक चार नोटिसी वांगडाच येता स्पीकर सर. पंचायतीचे हितूनसून येता, from Mamladar it comes, from Deputy Collector and case chalu hai. Simultaneous case is also going on in GCZMA. Means a person has to attend 4 cases for a same structure. 4 sote roiche patta ani कोण तरी कोर्टान घालता थिंगा यार एकदा वयचे पडटा. Speaker sir, what relief the honorable minister will give till the time these structures are regularized by the center, that is CRZ at the center. No, she has to give relief. No, I want specific assurance that these cases will be dropped till the this will come out with a solution.
Speaker sir, the cases cannot be dropped. However, issuing of notices will be kept in abeyance.
No, notices are already issued to all the people. They are going 4 places for the same hearing. For the same hearing, they are going 4 places.
Okay.
How are you going to look into this matter?
Yeah, I will speak.
These people have not built resorts. ये हॉटेलाचे उलयना स्पीकर सर. धाकटुली गेस्ट हाऊस 2 रूम 3 रूम बांधलेले अटॅच टू द हाऊस. स्पीकर सर, हे रेग्युलरायज करपाची गरज आहा. आनी आमचो एक्स मिनिस्टर ऑफ एनवायरमेंट.
Speaker sir, we are well aware of the issue, and as stated earlier, any proposals for modification or changes in the CRZ notification 2011 will be placed before the MOEF for its consideration.
When? Some time limit is ode varsa zali speaker sir. 2.5 years have passed for this committee which is being formed over here. We have to go and give it. Some assurance should be given that all these cases will be kept pending. People will not be called again and again in the office of GCZMA, Deputy Collector, Mamledar,
Yes,
court.
I think I have just stated that the Honorable Chief Minister will be leading a delegation to meet with the Minister for Environment, Government of India, and most probably it will be at the end of this assembly session.
Till then, you will inform the Deputy Collector and GCZMA Member Secretary to go slow with these cases.
Yes, we will advise them to go slow, but we cannot drop the cases.
Yeah, go slow till the decision
Definitely,
comes.
we will advise them to go slow.
Thank you.
Speaker sir.